Hey guys, I'm Niaz.
And I'm Imogen.
And we've rented a motorhome, as you can see, from Cairns. And today we are going to Daintree Rainforest.
We're on a ferry right now for the first time. It's very cool. In the rainforest, we're actually going to check out a few swimming spots. There's one called Blue Hole, which is a sacred Aboriginal women's birthing site.
Other than that, we're also going to Cape Tribulation maybe today. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned, and we'll see you when we're in the forest. All right. Alright, now we're on our way on the path to where we think the Blue Hole swimming hole is. And yeah, it's beautiful. Wow, look at this. This is the blue pool. Can you see all the jungle perch in there? Now we're on our way towards Cape Tribulation. We've stopped on the way, however, for lunch near Thornton Beach. Hello there.
Hi.
How is it?
Delicious.
Wow! Would you look at that? Simply magical. Wow. Check out, there's a couple of wild cassowaries here. And their babies. Wow, why hello there. We are now in Cape Tribulation, and now we are walking towards Mile Beach. As you can see here, it's all still rainforest everywhere. And yeah. Wow!
That was so perfect.
Need to look where you'll go, alright?
It's tribulation for
Anyways.
a reason.
All right, see you at the beach. Wow! Ugh. To be honest, this is the same as Thornton Beach. All of it's very beautiful, not very different, but also still mesmerized, constantly in mesmerization land. Hello there, I'm now back in cold and rainy Melbourne. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. And Imogen actually made a nice outro to this video, but she did it in the wrong setting. But I think it's really cute, so I'm just gonna share it with you anyway. Hope you enjoyed that, and many more to come.